This tutorial is on how to make a carnival wire bra with pearls. I have the supplies used written below. I actually decided to do a tutorial in the middle of me making this bra, that's why it's half started. I used an old carnival bra I had and some extra jewels. What you're going to start off doing is cutting strips of fabric to wrap your wire bra. You're going to cover it entirely and then pad the back with your foam or felt. I would say maybe 1/2 inch 5/8 strips may be suitable. I saved the padding for last, but normally I'd pad right after I wrap. So begin cutting strips of fabric. You also want to cut 2 pieces to cover the base. Here I am wrapping and covering the bra. The next thing I do is cover the entire bra in single costume pearls of different sizes. Placement is up to you. For the tiny ones, I put a layer of glue on the bra and then sprinkled them on top. For big ones, I place glue on it and then I put it down. I also added a few gold frame pearls for accents, as you can see right here. Here, I'm stripping an old costumes trim and using the trim to go around the bra. This is up to you, and you can trim how much or how little you like, but I wanted to cover up those bare spots. And here is my finished look. I hope you were able to complete yours. Please like and subscribe and let me know how I did. Thank you.